Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of namely. That is to say, to be specific, used to introduce detailed information or a specific example. For example, to me there is only one kind of rock, namely, loud rock. American pronunciation. Namely. Namely. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Namely. Say. Namely. Namely means, that is to say. Namely. Namely. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. They also receive full social benefits, namely national insurance and health coverage. Now, repeat after me. They also receive full social benefits, namely national insurance and health coverage. The second practice. Investing overseas also introduces an extra level of risk, namely that of currency risk. Now, repeat after me. Investing overseas also introduces an extra level of risk, namely that of currency risk.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.